Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the image and target cell. Pick a clear PNG or JPG and open the Google Sheet where it will live. Once done, click the cell that will anchor the image so placement is precise. If you plan to insert from the web, make sure you have a direct image URL. If not, have the file ready on your device. This first step avoids repositioning later and ensures image size and format won't break the insertion process. Now insert the image using Google Sheets Insert menu. You can choose Image in Cell to lock it to a cell, or Image over Cells for free placement. Select Upload, Drive, Photos, or paste a direct URL. Click the chosen file and let Sheets process it. This keeps formatting intact. After insertion, move or resize. Drag handles for overcell images, or change row and column height for in-cell images. Make sure to pick in-cell. Finish by refining placement and securing the result. Crop or use aspect ratio tools to frame the image, and set row/column sizes so the image displays cleanly. If the image disappears or shows broken link, check that the URL is accessible and file sharing permissions allow viewing. Re-upload if necessary. Once satisfied, protect the sheet or specific cells to avoid accidental movement. This ensures the image remains where you want and behaves predictably across devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.